And how you doing?
Not bad.
They will bring some cement for you.
Alright.
Consider.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, relax now. I'm here. You can relax now. I'm here. Yes, man.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
whoa, and zaga, zo.
Yeah, man. You want to go and make sure it's happening, you know?
Yeah. Make sure.
Like some soft porridge in the morning, you know.
Yeah. Some hella porridge, boy.
Yeah.
Soft with your
Yes,
stuff.
peanut.
Yeah, not hard for them.
Is in plantain, banana. You get me? And cornmeal porridge.
Yeah, so we have porridge for the elderly then.
Hella them. So,
And we say a peanut plantain.
plantain, banana.
Yeah.
You see, and cornmeal.
cornmeal.
Nice.
Well blend up.
Well blend up and spice up. So.
And this porridge sponsored by Malik Mommy.
Malik Mommy
Yeah, from South Florida.
from South Florida.
Yeah.
Malik Mommy, blessed love for the porridge, you know.
Yeah, man.
You think the hell of them are going to enjoy it.
Only for love too, you know.
Only for love. You think keep doing what you're doing. You see, the dream team is here. Just do what you do, correct. You see, because you have love in here, you know.
Yeah.
You see, so I'm going to put on some porridge for the hell of you.
Yeah, yeah.
Blessings.
Yeah, man, from Malik Mommy from South
Malik
Florida.
Mommy.
South
South
Florida.
Florida.
Yeah.
New York,
See.
my place.
Big up yourself, Malik
Blessing
Mommy.
love to the world again.
Yeah.
You see, because the world, you know what I'm saying, we're try. You see, the people know, so I love we grow with.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see, so one but I love to the heart, I love to. You see, so blessing love to the world again. To all of the donor them, to all of the people them who are sponsor the dream team for doing, give thanks. You see, I want to love, appreciate it. You see, appreciate it.
Yeah, every time. And for the dream team meal today,
Dream team meal today, run down them saying.
run down.
You see, we don't know a dumpling and banana and yam with it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
You see, run down, run down. No, run down nobody. Run down.
Yeah.
Coconut milk.
Yeah.
You see, in it. You get me, so we put a part there in it.
Coconut
You see,
milk,
we're going to
yeah.
get all the porridge first with the hell of them.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
we'll put on the dream team lunch. Run down.
So,
Dumpling and banana.
so the dream team meal is provided by Angela from the US.
Angela from the US.
Yeah.
Blessed love. For the meal and a rundown meal and idea. A long time some people are eating things there.
Yeah,
You see, it's a
run down.
You see, we are spice of the pot in a different way.
Yeah.
So I did run down to them.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a dream team. That them said them all. So that we are dealing with some coconut milk.
Yeah, man, we
Yes,
just
yeah.
run down and we do a salt mackerel and
Salt, mackerel, you know, it's
Cornmeal
coconut,
dumpling.
cornmeal dumpling.
Soft yam.
We don't have brown flour. What brown flour there?
Like barrel in the water, we get more flour upon it.
No, mama, we need it. We don't
Wheat
put flour
flour.
with it. You see, the wheat brown flour, go get.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
man.
need it, yeah, man.
I
We
big bag me have this.
No, we want a big book, alright, half white, then we get some white flour and mix it.
Yeah, man.
mix it.
You see,
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's all.
brown flour dumpling, run down.
Run down.
You see, so that's how we do today, healthy meal.
So we go
Yes,
catch her on the well right, you know, because the fans them are going to see that run down.
Yeah, man, I'll
there.
give them it, man.
With the coconut
I'll give them
milk
it,
in
the
it.
coconut milk in it.
Pasta put up on the side, you know.
Yeah, you see, spice it up, you know.
They say the Italian pasta,
Put
Yeah,
up on the side, you know.
Italian spikes.
You know.
you know, because you see, anytime you do,
New York.
New York, as a boy, I say, anytime you do them want to come, see kitchen, you
I know
just come, I go put it on the pot, man. You see, anything we want, man, we put it on for you, man.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
see, the whole chef, zaga in our kitchen. You don't know.
No, New York cold, you know, but boy, out of cold in New York, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
City.
Apple Pie comment and Apple Pie say, yo, she not forgot you. Just because of the COVID, so she so touched down. My baby. That's just saying, my chef.
Go,
Like you said, yeah.
Whoa.
She said, my baby, the chef.
Your apple pie, holy pie love, you know.
Yeah.
Apple pie.
You know, forgot to know, you know.
Yeah, it's on the one show.
Yeah, man. You know,
What
forgot
are
to
you going to do
know.
in here?
Yeah.
Where am I going? I'm not forgot you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Apple
Is
pie,
it?
holy pie love, you know.
Yeah, man, come deal with him right,
Yeah,
man.
man, you know. Holy
Yeah,
pie
man,
love,
so
you
just
know.
so touched down, you know.
Yeah,
So
man,
don't
come
worry
right to the
yourself.
kitchen, man.
Yeah,
You're
man,
good.
right, I say you're coming out.
Yeah.
Right, yeah, anything where you want, man.
The holy pie menu there for you, man.
Zaga and whole chef in the kitchen.
Yeah, man, the holy pie
Ready.
menu for you, man.
You
Yeah,
get
man.
me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So big up yourself, Angela, for the dream team meal.
Angela.
Angela.
The salt mackerel run down with
Whoa.
dumpling
Whoa.
and all of the ground food.
Whoa.
All of them, man.
What they
Yeah.
going provide.
Yeah,
You
man,
see?
you see?
Yeah, man.
Finland people, my request the thing, you know,
Yeah.
but
You see all them porridge, Finland,
Yeah,
them
man.
porridge,
Yeah,
you get me
man.
on a normal porridge, Roger. Coconut milk straight.
yeah, man.
You get me? We put in our porridge.
Yeah.
You get me?
With the elderly
The
them.
hell of them and keep them strong and healthy.
With the
You
plant
get me?
and banana
Plant and banana.
Straight. Yeah,
And
man.
with peanut.
and peanut.
You see?
Oh,
So,
well, we're not near there to see.
yeah, we have everything there.
We're not
Everything there, man.
near there, man.
Everything there, we see them, everything there.
Oh, yes, man.
Right, everything there. Everything is here. You see, so be here.
Alright,
You see,
yeah.
best send love to the world. Let's be here. Right on the Dream Team headquarters.
Man,
You got me?
twice,
We're
you
full
know.
of love here, you know.
Yeah, man.
Right, whole for talent right here.
Yeah, and Joe multi-talented there. Your strength, see me in the kitchen.
Respect. I love enough, and it's a love presentation. It has to be with love. So love conquer everything. No
Yeah,
matter what the evil force them coming at,
Look at more couple there, you know.
go and defeat you all the step of the way.
Sure.
Respect to the donuts them, and the one them want to come on board, respect to the
Same
same love.
way.
Yeah,
Welcome.
man.
Yeah.
This place, man.
Yeah.
Ready for going out pot.
so that are the plant and
Plant,
peanut
peanut.
and banana.
Banana. Yeah. But the oats, boy. Get me one for oats. We got some, put some oats in.
Oh, so the oats are going to
Yeah, we put some oats and chew in them too. You see, I got my heat, I forgot to. I touch the oats.
Where you going in the barrel?
Yeah, draw the oats. In it now. And get the hell of them, you know?
Yeah,
You see, look.
running.
Running. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's everything they want.
Fit
Cause
up.
without the hell of them, we couldn't do there, you know. So we have to keep them going same way. See, and them set it.
Yeah, true.
You see, them set the check.
Oats.
So the oats here,
Oats appear.
it's up here. You understand? In a blender now. Where blender? See, have some cup here, man.
4, 5, 6, 7.
And two more.
Yeah, just a little got them here, you know. Look. Yeah, man, it's messy.
Yeah,
So she send them for me, you know.
the mystery lady
Yeah, man, the mystery
from
lady, you know,
Trenchtown.
from Trenchtown, you know. Yeah, man, to say, yo.
from First Street. They got to say the mystery lady from
Yeah, see,
Trenchtown.
that's it. So you get the dead garden and put them in the kitchen. So that's alright. Only for respect, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, the mystery lady, only for respect. Enough love to you, know?
yeah, from
Man,
First Street.
From First Street, I walk, you know?
Live in the US.
One community, you know? One
yeah.
people, you know?
Yeah. More far and a far that I want that
Big up
now.
Massive Jet too, you know? Run the day around still, you know?
Yeah,
Massive Jet beautiful community, you
so
know?
if you're fry.
Yeah, fry, I would have, yeah. You want to look thing, you know? You see?
Yeah,
Yeah, man, big up Angela, the mystery lady, you know? Massive Jet, holy for love, you know?
you got yourself every
Yeah, man.
time.
Big up big ball of bang gift, you know?
Yeah,
Holy for love, you know?
Michael Campbell.
Yeah, man. Michael Campbell, one of the greatest baller in the boys town. Alongside Magic.
yeah,
Yeah, man.
Michael Campbell.
Yeah, man. So, all for respecting Angela, you see?
yeah, every time.
Yeah, man, see that man.
Yeah, man.
Blend him up here now and chew him on that now. And I weigh that.
With that.
You see? So we call me ready for going to the party now. Like more chew on the party and go and store it up now.
Yeah, man. See, down floor, you know.
Yeah, I take it down.
Down floor, this. So, I make sure some white floor, you know.
Yeah, for the rundown.
Run down, you know.
Run down.
Yeah, so. I get some more flour and calm meal and add it up and add it up with it, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. You see what I said?
Calm meal started.
No, it's then a one. Choose then a one. That use.
And how you doing?
Not bad.
They will bring some cement for you.
Alright.
Consider.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, relax now. I'm here. You can relax now. I'm here. She know me and then come she come. Yes, Anne. How you doing? Well, love all this fruity. Smell fruity and things. So how you doing though? You alright?
Yeah man, not bad. We
Alright.
have life a pump.
Yeah.
I give God thanks for everything.
Yeah, so
And thank you also. And to the donor them we send the cement.
so her name is Diamond from England.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a donor with the program.
Tell Diamond say thank her very much.
Yeah, share what so you can just tell her.
Eh?
You can tell her.
Diamond, thank you very much and I appreciate to what you send and everything. And God always in the job. Love
Yeah.
you.
Yeah man, so give thanks Diamond
Yeah.
from England
Yeah.
for donating this cement towards
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
towards our need.
Yeah.
So she needs some cement,
Yeah.
a door, you know, and
Sun and tiles.
sun and
door
tile,
job.
and door job
Yeah.
for the door. So far, how will you get so far now?
Alright, the man for come tile out the bathroom. I get the cement. I be a wait pan for man. So I tile out the bathroom and so I get that way you give me just use it by the pay him and just feel come tile out. But
Yeah.
still I want some more tile for tile out.
Yeah.
You see me? So I just go and do what I have to do. You see me?
Yeah, so
And many
it's a start.
Yeah.
It's a start. So give
Yeah.
thanks and blessings
Yeah,
to all
yeah.
the donors and that reach out to
Yeah.
us so far.
Yeah. Thanks for everything.
God bless you all and I
Yeah.
hope your food basket will never go empty.
Empty, yeah.
So, thank you a lot, donors, for the support. And so, big up yourself, Diamond.
Yeah,
From
big
the
up
UK.
Diamond and I'll always love you and thank you very
Yeah.
much.
Alright,
Always,
so
yeah.
take care, man.
And
Yeah,
you too, Kino.
yeah, man. Everything I got alright, man. Yeah.
Uncle that and the window. Remember me say my business.
On the window.
The window. Yeah.
Oh.
One of the back part. Not the one of the back part.
Or run at the back.
Yeah.
Okay. How much window run it again?
That 3 window. This and that. I want the other one.
Oh, 3 window, yeah, man. Yeah, so see there. So me have to try and see if Fabulous Brothers watching the program and see if them can contribute towards the windows. So me have to try to get the builder to come over. Because the builder come earlier but she nobody there. Maybe at least him could I get the sizes of the windows so could I know the size. So if anything we could I explain to Fabulous
So we get the
Brothers.
cement, we get the cement with the sand, we will splash out, scrape off all of them there, splash it out. Splash out the concrete we drop out.
Yeah. So that's
The
great.
sand now and then we just splash out this one. The man will come splash it out.
Yeah.
And start to scrape it off and splash it out.
Yeah.
And the paint, yeah, you said the paint, but we told me some tile out the bathroom first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Alright then, good thanks. So if anything come up and you know,
Yeah, man, don't worry.
you come back and check it, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright then, so big up yourself. So
Big up, Keen, I love you. What's your
man,
name?
love
What
you
the
too.
girl name?
Diamond.
Diamond, I love you too, and God bless.
Yeah, man.
Thanks.
Big up yourself and it's quiet now.
I want to hear that too much. She talk, she know he's a kid.
Yeah, she know, woman. So she relax. And me alone could have calm her down a while ago.
Yeah.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.